Hey guys,
It's Raelyn.
and Tia,
We're really bored.
and we're making a video at 12:30 in the morning.
Actually, 12:29 to be exact. I'm sorry. Anyway,
Well,
this is the Tia
and
Raelyn
Raelyn show. Isn't it amazing? And this one actually has sound. Sorry for the other one, guys. It didn't have any sound.
We didn't notice it, or we did notice it.
Um,
What shall we bring onto the show today, Tia?
I don't know. Sorry on my face.
Yeah.
Like you don't have one.
I do. Who doesn't have MySpace? And
Oh, by the way, I'll be right back.
oh, sorry.
Where's my MySpace thing?
Oops.
Dang it. Well, since Raelyn doesn't care about me and she threw my MySpace thing away.
I do care.
She doesn't.
We were gonna
Yeah,
upload a Hannah Montana photo of Boredom, but it was being really trouble, so we
add the MySpace. Do you see it? myspace.com/TiaandRaelyn94. Well, this is our YouTube, and we're gonna be on it quite often, hopefully.
if Raelyn comes up here from TV.
Yeah.
Would you like to write it down, Dad?
Yes. You guys want to add my MySpace? Oh, I know.
Oh. What's else? And mine is myspace.com/RAELYN.
This is mine.
1995.
So add it because I add everyone.
Don't talk to strangers.
Shut up. Don't speak.
Mama.
Alright, well, we're gonna go. And we'll make more YouTube videos tomorrow, huh?
It is tomorrow.
Woo!
Woo! Yeah.
Peace out, guys. How do you stop it?
I think you press that red stop button.